You're the only one with a damn hand.
Go ahead. At least I have a
Okay, then,
good.
what is he at?
21.
He's at 21?
And he's at 24 defense.
Ooh, that's scarier. Okay, yeah, I guess. What do I have? Wait up. That's mine. No! I'm not gonna show you. Okay, wait up. Okay.
What does he have left?
She doesn't know.
I know how to track those shoes, or dead draws right now.
Okay, set. That's it. Go for it.
The only thing I'm happy about is I won't back out.
How many do you got in there?
40, but they keep recycling out.
Go for it.
Don't do it, Nestor. Don't do it. Think about the children.
I'm just playing. Oh wait, you're recording.
You in?
Shut up, hey, shut up. This stays in the table.
Summon?
I'm just playing.
Free cash?
18? 21?
Oh, hater, my rat. Are you gonna cherry it?
Yeah.
Chariot.
700? What's your life?
I'm at 16.
Game?
Nestor's out.
Let's check.
Nestor's gone. Nestor's gone.
That's how people get Jewed out.
In? Out? In? Out? Nothing? In?
Am
I gonna blow up?
Huh? You can't blow up because there's nothing. Yeah. Oh,
There is
there is effect. The card.
Thank you.
Finally, huh? Light.
lightning.
Contact in.
There goes that.
Out.
I don't get the back time.
Contact in.
Oh, Hercule. It's over.
He's safe for one turn,
It's
actually.
over.
Yeah.
It's over.
What's your life, buddy?
I've taken 36.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, wait.
Ooh, okay then.
Don't you dare.
I just got that. Okay. I'm just gonna. Here, wait, really? Please, I need to get a card.
That's,
Here, I'm not doing that.
I don't think I should have done that yet.
You have switched camera people.
Cool, okay. Use rekindling?
no, just,
Can I see your graveyard first?
Why?
No, I just want to see
I
something.
just want to see. Just see how many things are bad in
Wait,
Pretty sure.
she has no synchros left, so it doesn't matter.
What do you mean there are no secrets left?
Everything's in the graveyard.
They're not
No,
even
it's
fucking
not.
great.
What has she synchro for so I can know
I
what's
only
left?
secret for
Thought ruler
Thought
and
ruler and
Colossal, right?
Colossal.
Alright, I'll let it.
You'll let it? Just cause alright.
You get your 2 Flame Belt Magicians.
That's-
Does she have to?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have to.
They forgot what you got.
What is he at?
30,000. She can't synchro with those two.
Nope, they're
Oh,
tuners.
there's more tuners.
They're both tuners,
I
yeah.
forgot. Oh, baby, come on.
Okay, let's see if it happens.
See what happens.
Huh?
Normal? Okay. 8.
8. Get out
She's gonna clash, dude.
my red dragon arcane.
Okay.
Now I'm just scared of wonder.
Just go for it. Go on up.
What's your life, man?
I've only taken 36.
Aw, she has all left.
What, is that your hand or?
Yeah, that's my hand.
That's your hand?
Clash.
Yours is dead too.
I know.
She just emptied her field.
She still has that little guy.
What's your life?
Huh? I'm at 77.
He's only taking 300. Come on. Come on.
Attack.
Take it.
Intense thinking.
Okay. He's removed from play.
Alright then. Okay, there.
I was wondering why she did that.
Draw.
Just cause I wanted to get rid of that.
Set. Go for
She
it.
did. He was 2 down. Go ahead.
Heavy.
Yeah, that would suck.
My hand. Go for it.
for it.
Draw. Go for it.
Draw. Normal.
Alright.
The card.
Stupid glance.
18.
Take it.
1, 5, 1, 2, 3. You're at 65.
Alright.
What's your Exodia?
Send them in. Bring out. He's destroy your vacuum.
Oh, let's check. Activate call. Now it's
Still
still
go.
Let's hate
Go
it.
ahead.
Activated on that one thing.
I don't have it.
She doesn't have. He doesn't have the rat.
Alright.
Go ahead.
He doesn't have the rat.
No,
Draw.
he doesn't have the little rat in there.
If I would have had a Garson,
Go for
it
it.
probably would have made a
Go for it.
difference. Draw.
Draw.
You guys better start
Set.
moving fast.
Contact.
Finish it.
Both of yours. What's your life?
I've only taken 36.
Only 36. You're at 65. Hit Willie 24. Contact out. Cast. And
But this guy,
this guy to my hand.
this guy's whack.
Get out the card. As we say. And go ahead.
Okay. Draw.
Sucker
Go for it.
Go ahead.
Draw.
This guy's even whacker.
Shut up. No.
Oh man.
What's life?
How much more than?
I'm at 63. She's at 65.
2
Is
minutes.
that in your hand?
Not
A
feel.
little bit less.
Okay.
How many in hand?
One.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go gangster.
Go for it.
Qualification.
Summon! Tag ready for 16.
Excuse you.
Failed.
Go for it.
Draw. Luckily, I added a monster in my hand. It's because it was your mirror for 16.
Oh well.
It's a hate crime.
5-1. Nothing but hate.
I know, right?
Send in.
What's with all this violence? This hate against me.
Special.
I was expecting that mirror.
Special.
You should.
Special. Yeah.
I don't think you can pull him out. Can you
Yeah,
pull him
can.
out?
If he was special summon
Can you
properly,
still use his
yes.
effect?
No, his effects are
I thought they were
negated.
like damn heroes.
No. If they were special property, then they
Yeah,
Yeah.
winning hand.
Useless.
My hand.
Hey, Maggie,
Useless.
yeah.
Yeah.
Useless.
Maggie's my hand. I'm like, yeah.
You just showed him my hand. I'm a noob.
Man, I didn't even activate.
You guys
that
got
shit.
40. You
Okay,
guys got like
go,
40
go, go,
seconds.
Go, Winnie, draw.
Oh my god.
Because
Oh,
once
okay,
again-
go for it.
Her camera fails.
I know my camera's failing.
Oh my gosh.
Hurry, we're hitting him.
Space yours.
Oh, damn.
This is called Speed World.
Oh,
Face up. Normal. Maggie's dead.
okay.
Go.
Draw. Oh, crap. Go for it.
You in? Draw. Game. Attack.
The gate.
Goes direct.
It's gate.
Game.
That's it.
And
Of
that's
course. That was still gate. I was at 2000.
That's how this guy wins.
Oh,
that's
man.
Vegeta wins because this guy's whack. And it should have now.
Yeah.